Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best sugar-free snow cone syrup variety pack is probably one of the most exciting and guilt-free ways to elevate your summer treats, offering a dazzling array of flavors without the sugar rush, making it a perfect choice for health-conscious individuals, families with diabetic members, or anyone looking to enjoy classic snow cones with a healthier twist, ensuring that every icy creation is as delicious as it is responsible. Number 5. Hawaiian Shaved Ice Syrup Assortment. Bring the authentic taste of Hawaiian shaved ice to your home. Our syrup assortment offers a delightful tropical experience. Explore 6 of our most popular flavors, carefully selected for your enjoyment. From fruity to refreshing, there's a taste for everyone. Indulge in the sweet and vibrant flavors of cherry and grape. They're perfect for creating colorful and delicious treats. Dive into exotic tastes with blue raspberry and tiger's blood. These unique blends offer an exciting twist to your shaved ice. Enjoy the zesty kick of lemon lime and the creamy sweetness of pina colada. They provide a perfectly balanced, refreshing finish. Make any gathering a celebration with these crowd-pleasing flavors. They are sure to be a hit with guests of all ages. What we like. If you love classic snow cone flavors, this assortment is for you. It offers a great variety of crowd-pleasing options. Choose this if you want a reliable selection for parties and gatherings. What people say. The sugar-free snow cone syrup variety pack offers a great selection of flavors, perfect for a hot summer day. These syrups are a fantastic alternative for those watching their sugar intake, without compromising on taste. The variety pack includes classic flavors like cherry, blue raspberry, and grape, providing something for everyone. Number 4. Hawaiian Shaved Ice Machine Kit S900A. Create fluffy shaved ice right in your kitchen with this electric machine. It's perfect for making margaritas, slushies, iced coffee, and any frozen treat you can imagine. Set up your own icy treat station at home with this easy-to-use and clean countertop machine. It's portable and stores conveniently when not in use. This kit includes the machine, 3 delicious syrup flavors, cups, straws, pourers, and ice molds. You'll have everything needed to get the party started. Each syrup bottle makes about 8 snow cones, and the entire kit can create up to 24 servings. You can even adjust the flavor intensity to your liking. Our syrups are made with your well-being in mind, free from common allergens like nuts, soy, wheat, dairy, starch, flour, and eggs. They are shelf-stable and ready to use. Beyond shaved ice, these flavors can enhance cocktails, sodas, coffee, and more. Add a splash of deliciousness to almost any beverage or dessert. What we like. Looking for an all-in-one solution to make snow cones at home? This kit provides the machine, syrups, and all the accessories you need to get started. It's perfect for families who want instant frozen treat fun without buying separate components. What people say. Great variety of flavors. The syrup is sugar-free and tastes great. Perfect for making sugar-free snow cones at home. Number 3. Hawaiian Shaved Ice Syrup Variety Pack. Bring the vibrant flavors of the tropics right to your home or business. Our premium syrup variety pack offers a delightful taste of paradise. Explore a world of taste with 10 exciting and long-lasting snow cone flavors. There's a perfect option for everyone to enjoy. Crafted with premium ingredients, our syrups deliver an authentic and rich flavor experience. They are designed for both home enjoyment and commercial use. Elevate your parties, events, or just a simple treat with these versatile shaved ice flavorings. They are sure to be a crowd pleaser. Each bottle contains 16 ounces of delicious syrup, ensuring you have plenty to share. Enjoy long-lasting flavor with every serving. Discover the ultimate solution for all your shaved ice needs. These syrups provide an easy and enjoyable way to create refreshing treats. What we like. If you need a wide range of flavors for frequent use or even a small business, this variety pack is an excellent choice. It offers more options and is designed for durability. Consider this if you want to explore a broader flavor profile and ensure you have plenty for many uses. What people say. Great variety of flavors. The syrup is sugar-free and tastes great. Perfect for making sugar-free snow cones at home. Number 2. Hawaiian Shaved Ice Syrup Assortment. Bring the taste of the tropics home with this amazing shaved ice syrup assortment. It's everything you need to create delicious frozen treats. Explore a variety of exciting flavors like tiger's blood, pina colada, and blue raspberry. There's a perfect taste for everyone to enjoy. This set comes complete with 10 bottles of syrup, 50 snow cone cups, and 50 spoon straws. You'll also get 10 pouring spouts for easy serving. Make your next gathering a hit with these fun and flavorful shaved ice creations. It's a guaranteed crowd pleaser for all ages. Simply pour the syrup over ice and enjoy a refreshing treat in seconds. It's the easiest way to make delicious shaved ice at home. Get a fantastic assortment of flavors and accessories at an unbeatable value. It's the perfect way to stock up for summer fun. What we like. For those who want a comprehensive package with plenty of servings, this assortment is ideal. It includes not only a good selection of flavors but also the cups and straws to enjoy them. You should pick this if you're planning a larger event or want to be fully prepared for snow cone cravings. What people say. The sugar-free syrup is a great alternative for diabetics or those watching their sugar intake. The variety pack offers a good selection of flavors, allowing you to try different options. The syrup is easy to mix and use, making it convenient for home use. Number 1. Hawaiian Shaved Ice 6-Pack Sour Flavors. Get ready for a taste explosion with our 6-pack of sour shaved ice syrups. It's a vibrant collection designed to bring excitement to any beverage. Indulge in a variety of tangy delights, from sour cherry to sour strawberry. Each flavor offers a unique and refreshing twist. These versatile syrups are ideal for crafting delicious slushies, Italian sodas, and even homemade popsicles. Let your creativity flow. Transform ordinary drinks into extraordinary treats with these intensely flavored syrups. They're perfect for parties, hot summer days, or anytime you need a pick-me-up. Discover the delightful pucker of our carefully crafted sour flavors. They're sure to become your new go-to for refreshing beverages. Made with quality ingredients, our syrups deliver an authentic and satisfying sour taste. Enjoy the best in frozen and fountain drinks. What we like. If you're a fan of a tangy twist, this sour variety pack is a must-have. It offers a unique flavor experience beyond the typical sweet options. Choose this if you enjoy a sour kick in your snow cones, slushies, or even to flavor your beverages. What people say. The sugar-free snow cone syrup variety pack is a great option for those looking to enjoy snow cones without the sugar. This variety pack offers a good selection of flavors, allowing you to try different tastes. The syrups are easy to use and mix well with ice, creating delicious snow cones. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.